Two people enter the same Saturn period. One becomes unshakable while the other disintegrates. And it is because of this one principle that not many people are talking about. See, Saturn represents the Vayu Tattva, which is the air element that symbolizes discipline, karma, that tests and exposes weakness over time, which ultimately, if done well, proves the virtue of stability and endurance in lived experience. And this stability is the extension of what we call the Sthir Shakti. It is that part of you that must remain structurally stable even under sustained load. Even our body expresses this Sthir Shakti in many different ways. Our nervous system's capacity to process consequences without shattering is Sthir Shakti. The ability of our mind to remain steady while carrying all that emotional weight is Sthir Shakti. Saturn asks, how much can you really hold without cracking? And that is why identical transits produce opposite outcomes. One person stabilizes because their nervous system conditions itself. They build tolerance for responsibility. Their foundation hardens. And when Saturn moves, they've earned a quantum shift in their actual capacity and not just their circumstances. The other person, however, collapses because the weight finds every fracture in their structure. Their emotional system cannot process the consequences, and ultimately, when Saturn finally releases, they've learned nothing except fear. In modern day life, this can look like this. Two people can go through the same breakup. One processes it, perhaps goes to therapy, and is still functioning, while the other one is in bed for 3 months, can't work, and spirals completely. Same event, but different container capacity. Let's take another example. Two people get promoted to the same high pressure role. One thrives while the other one burns out in 6 months and quits. Same job, same event, different container capacity. And yes, while there are many reasons and many variables that determine the outcome, Sthir Shakti is also an important one that we often neglect. This is not about who is stronger. This is about whose nervous system can process that amount of consequences and pain. And that is Sthir Shakti. Follow for more such content.